Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix the Steam no license error when starting a game. Let's get started. First, open the Steam application on your computer. Once Steam is open, go to the top left corner of the screen and click on Steam to open the drop-down menu. From the menu, click on Settings. In the Settings window, click on the Interface tab from the left panel. Now look for the option called Client Beta Participation. Click on the drop-down menu next to it and select Steam Beta Update. After selecting the Beta Update, click the Restart button. Steam will restart automatically and install the latest beta client if an update is available. Once Steam has restarted, try launching your game again and check whether the no license error has been resolved. If you're still experiencing the same issue, move on to the second method. Again, click on Steam in the top left corner and select Settings. This time, click on the Downloads tab in the left panel. Here you'll find the Clear Download Cache option. Click on Clear Cache. Steam will ask you to confirm the action. Proceed with the confirmation, and Steam will clear its download cache. After the cache has been cleared, you'll be signed out of your Steam account. Simply sign back in using your Steam username and password. Once you've successfully logged in, allow Steam to finish syncing your account and library. Now launch the game again. In most cases, the no license error should now be resolved, and your game should start normally. And that's it. If you like the video, like, subscribe, and press the bell icon for more helpful tutorials.